Hey guys, I didn't film a proper intro or outro from my video. It was kind of a quick last minute thing. Please subscribe to my channel and like and comment and click the notification bell to be notified. And follow me on all my socials, my Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, link in description. Right now I am using her NYX Micro Brow Micro Blade Pencil in the shade Black to fill in her eyebrows. I had to speed this up because this clip was really long and I took my time to make it look nice and perfect. So yeah, I am using her Vasanti Liquid Coverup Foundation Concealer in a darker shade that matches the skin tone, and I'm putting it all over her face and I'm going to blend it in using a damp beauty blender. Now I am going to use another Vasanti Liquid Coverup Foundation Concealer in the lighter shade for her concealer to highlight. Now I am using my new Maybelline Fit powder in the shade 330, and I'm just blending that all over her face, and I applied more on a second layer just to bake a little bit while I'm doing her eye makeup. So I forgot to mention that I have extra beauty blenders now. So I'm using this black one dry just for powders only when I'm going to apply them. I'm now going to use my new Girl Tru Blend Concealer, and I'm priming her eyelids with it. So now I'm using my James Charles palette, and yeah, that's her friend looking so cute. And I am going to use the shade Pinkity Drinkity for the transition shade, and underneath that I'm using the hot pink shade. I know that on her skin tone, it looks like I've been blending nothing all over her eyelids, but I am still using that light pinkity drinkity shade for the base. I just applied it twice, makes it look her makes her eyes look ashy and white for the base, but still looks nice for such a shade. And now I am going in with the light hand and the light layer of the new shade Kiss Kiss from my new palette, the Essence I Flirt Party Look palette. And I'm using that purple all over her eyelid and the crease. So I'm using my round fluffy powder brush, and there is a little bit of fallout from the purple eyeshadow that I used, and I landed all over her eyelash extensions. So you can see the purple eyeshadow on her lashes throughout the whole video. And I cleaned it up with black eyeshadow, what she left. And I am using my Maybelline Fit Concealer. My Maybelline Fit powder to clean up the fallout that I had on her face. And I'm doing the same to the other eye and blending it in with a flat brush. Now, as you can see, she does have a lot of people walking in and out of her room, and she's talking a lot, and I've lost my inspiration for this look at some point, so sometimes I chose to use this to make the look more pretty, as in I put in a lot of effort when I really didn't. So I picked up my Stila Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold to make this nice cut crease look all over her lid, and it just pretty much finished the eyeshadow look for me. I was gonna do a cut crease look and add a little purple and pink and stuff like that, but she's moving a lot and there's a lot of people around. I don't really do well with people in the room a lot, and the timing was really rushed, so I had to finish up. So I did this Stila Liquid Eyeshadow, and it looks really nice all over her eyelid, and yeah. I am going in with the shade Love That from the James Charles palette, the magenta purple shade all over her crease closer to her brow bone above the cut crease rose gold part, and I'm just blending it in with a round fluffy brush, and I'm also bringing it towards the outer V of her eye. I'm using my Maybelline Fit bronzer in shade 300, and I'm just contouring her cheeks and her face with the bronzer. I am using my Ruby Gay Dip Blushers kit, and I'm using the pink and purple blush mixed together on the apples of the cheeks. Now I am using my Molten Gold Rose Gold highlighter and applying that on her cheeks. And I'm just touching up her eyebrow a bit and straightening up, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. She is going to wear a clear lip gloss, and I sprayed her face before she left. So yeah, these are some Instagram pictures of the look that I did on her. And yeah, I didn't film an outro for the video, so yeah, sorry about that.